Hello my fellow vegan bakers. Now today I'm going to share with you how to make these little Oatey bites. I've devised nut-free Oatey bites because my husband, who works in a school, cannot take nuts in for obvious reasons because people are allergic to nuts. So first of all you need 140 grams of soft dates that have been stoned. Then you need 75 grams of something like ready break, a really fine porridge flakes. And then 75 grams of rolled oats, like traditional Scottish porridge oats. And then you want 4 tablespoons of sultanas or cranberries, dried blueberries, anything would be nice. And then a teaspoon of cocoa powder. Generous teaspoon, cocoa is nice. And then 1.5 tablespoons of mixed seeds. I put my own mixture of mixed seeds together. And then 1.5 tablespoons of flax seeds. Now they're really good for your omegas and they're also good for sticking it all together. And then a drop of water. And then mix it all together in the food processor. Add more water until it's all stuck together. So when it's all stuck together like that, so it's really like gooey lump, Play-Doh-ish in your hands, take it all out. And what I do is I roll it into a long, thin shape. Divide it in half, and then each half will make about 5 pieces. I try to get about 10 pieces all together. So I then roll it and flatten it so it's like a sort of burger. I put it on a tray with a reusable liner so it doesn't stick. And there you have it. So I'll do that with all 10 of the Oatey bites, and then I'm going to put them in the oven for about 3/4 of an hour at 150 degrees centigrade in my fan oven. So I'll see you later. And there they are. Now my husband absolutely loves these. They're a lovely little snack in the middle of the day. So I hope you enjoy making them, and if you're not allergic to oats, enjoy eating them as well. Bye!